back to another episode of SITV. I'm Emma, and this is my other host,
Zeb Mundy.
So Zeb, why don't you tell us a little bit about this next segment?
Alright, so this first segment we got coming up is Elijah and Luca. They're going to be solving some unsolved mysteries around Shelter Island School. We got ourselves our own little BuzzFeed. Let's get into it.
Long have I wondered what the button in Mr. Connorty's room does. We went around the school and asked people to give us some insight of what they thought the red button does. The answers might be shocking. Hello, SITV. Today we're here with Emma Martinez, and we're going to ask her, what do you think Connorty's red button does?
I think it turns off the lights in Mr. Miedema's room.
I think so too. Thank you, Emma. Hello, SITV. Today we're here with Mr. Brigham. We're going to ask him what do you think Mr. Connorty's red button does? What do you think it does, Mr. Brigham?
Thanks for asking, Luca. I think that red button notifies him. If you push it, that how long the popcorn machine has been left in his room, and then you can get it back out of there.
I don't know what he's talking about, but I think that might be accurate. Thank you, Mr. Brigham. Hello, SITV. Today we're here with our new sub, Mr. Rice, and we're going to ask him what he thinks what Connorty's red button does. So, Mr. Rice, what do you think Connorty's red button does?
So you push the red button, and it unveils a secret door that, if you enter it, takes you into a secret underground chamber that not even Mr. Brigham knows about in the school. It is top secret. And you go in there, and you find the bone saw they used when they operated on former President Ronald Reagan when he was shot that one time by that crazy guy for Catcher in the Rye. And if you touch it, they say it shows you a vision of what Star Wars would have been like if this project actually succeeded. And that's it.
I think that might be accurate. Señorita Lieber, what do you think Connorty's red button does?
No hablo inglés. No,
I think she was telling us where the library was. Thank you, señorita.
no entiendo. Español, por favor.
She said thank you.
Why do you have my pan?
So we're asking what the red button does.
I think it flushes all the toilets at once.
Let me tell you from experience, this is very accurate.
That red button?
The red button.
I heard it's an ejection button for, those kids really driving Conrarty crazy. He punches that thing and they fly out the back window. Don't tell Dr. Dolger.
As a person that I've personally annoyed Conrarty, this has happened before.
Yo, Luca.
Hello, SITV. Today we're here with Dr. Dolger. We're going to ask him what he thinks Conrarty's red button does. What do you think it does, Dr. Dolger?
How are you doing, Luca?
I'm doing great.
I don't think I know. I know what it does. It's when Mr. Miedema is in a bad mood and is misbehaving. Anyone could hit that button and it ejects him right out of the seat, out of the building.
As Miedema would say, hello, SITV. Today we're here joined with Mike Dunning, and we're gonna ask him what he thinks Connorty's red button does. What do you think
it turns off the freezers in the cafeteria, Luca.
Let's ask Miss Darcy that. Hello, SITV. Today we're here with Mr. Connorty, and we're gonna ask him what his red button does. Mr. Connorty, what does your red button do?
Just shuts off the power in case there's an emergency.
Well, that's it, folks. We really just wanted to know what it...
Yo, are you serious about that button, by the way? Does it actually turn off all the lights in that room?
Hey man, only Conrarty knows, and that secret is gonna die with him.
Hopefully no time soon. Now, next we have a pumpkin pie cooking competition. I think it is, with Margaret and Mary. Let's see how that goes.
I'm really hungry.
So am I.
Hi, I'm Margaret, and today me and my friend are going to be making a pumpkin pie. Wait, where's Mary? Jeez.
Ready to make some pumpkin pie, baby. Wait, where's your costume? I thought we were dressing up.
Mary, go change. We're making pumpkin pie, come on, go change.
It's Halloween! What are you talking about?
We're in the middle of November! Do you really want to wear this?
Yes, I have to. It's Halloween.
Okay, let's get to this.
Okay, so first ingredient, we're going to be using pumpkin puree.
Oops. Mary, you're gonna need this.
No, look, it's fine.
Okay. That's what I thought. Now you add like sweetened condensed milk.
Okay, we don't need that. We're going to crack in 2 eggs. We need that spare. No, we don't. 1 egg. Do you want to do the other egg?
There you go. Next, you need, oh my god. Then you're gonna add a tablespoon of grounded cinnamon.
Okay, we got half a teaspoon of nutmeg. Okay, so we just added the same amount of everything with grounded cloves and salt.
You're gonna wanna keep on whisking this for at least like a minute or so.
Just pinching the pie crust so it makes it look beautiful. Voila, look at that.
Then after everything is prepped, you pour in the goods.
Okay, now it's time to put this in the oven. Wish me luck.
Oh my god! Then you're gonna wanna leave that bad boy in for 50 minutes. Wait, where's Mary? Jeez!
Ooh, beautiful. You want that jiggly consistency. It was nice having y'all.
See you back next time on SITV. Back to the crew.
That pumpkin pie looks absolutely immaculate. I'm trying to eat that on Thanksgiving. What do you think?
I absolutely agree. It made me so hungry. You know what else is good?
Tell me.
Our elite SI gaming crew, who in today's segment are going to be reviewing Among Us, a game that has me practically hooked. I play it 24/7.
Let's get right into it.
What's up, guys? Welcome back to SI Gaming. Today we'll be reviewing Among Us, a game about intrigue, betrayal, and making sure you don't get backstabbed on a space station.
You can either be a crewmate or an imposter. When you are a crewmate, you must go around the map and complete the tasks that are assigned to you. If you and the other crewmates complete all your tasks, you win. While you're completing your tasks, you have to figure out who the imposter or the imposters are. Another way you can win is if you and all the other crewmates vote out all the imposters.
When you are an imposter, you must try to kill the crewmates, but without getting caught. There is a cooldown for 10 seconds to a minute, so you have to wait before you get another kill. There are vents to help you to go to different places, and you can also sabotage the ship. For example, you can cause a reactor meltdown to help you win. You can close the door so no one goes inside a place. You can also turn off the lights so it's hard to see for the crewmates, and you can take the advantage to get some kills since it will be hard to find a body or see you when the lights are off.
I gave the game 10 crewmates out of 10. It's a fun game about deducing who the imposter is while doing your tasks and avoiding getting killed. Whereas it's a 10th game as the imposter where you have to get your kills while maintaining the facade of being.
My rating is 10 out of 10. The game is really fun. I like it because murder mystery games are my type. Plus, I really like 2D games. The game is simple and addictive.
My score is 9 out of 10 because I like to solve mysteries and try to figure out who the imposter is. The only thing I don't like is when the other players think that you're the imposter when you're not. Overall, I still enjoy playing the game, and I recommend downloading it on your mobile device today.
Shout out to our SI gaming crew. You made me way more addicted to this game than I already was.
Alright, next. 4 players, 4 challenges, 1 winner. Who will it be? Stick around, find out right now. Araldo, take it away.
I think I'm gonna win because I'm John Lil and there's no other way to put it.
I think I'm gonna win. I got that speed, boy, all day. Cross country gang, let's go.
I don't need to be fast.
I know I'm better than Tyler on stuff. It's just gonna happen.
I think I'm gonna win. Not really, but
not confident.
So.
was a well-fought fight there. It was longer than I thought it would take, but moving on, doing good.
This is my town! My town!
What about my overall That was good, guys. I took the wing. I'm taking the rock home.
That's the guy.
Alright guys, we would like to congratulate everybody that participated. We got Junior, Brandon, Tyler, Jalil, everybody did an amazing job. Warrior spirit. And I think that's it, Emma, what do you think?
I think we're good.
Alright, we'll see you next time for our third episode. I hope you enjoyed the second. Peace out.